welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to embark on a 4-part series that we're going to be talking about the elements of art. Any of you art school nerds have all heard this. Now, some professors teach this as if there's 5 elements of art. Some will tell you that there's 6 elements of art. I think that there's 8. And that's the way that I was taught, so that's what I'm going to tell you. They are line, pattern, shape, space, form, color, value, and texture. We are going to be taking on a couple of these in each of these videos. This is part of a class that I taught to my art school kids about how many times you will notice that art, no matter the subject matter, you will generally find that it is one of the specific areas or the elements of art that is addressed in a piece. So in this series, we're going to be looking at the same subject matter in several different ways when we are focusing on just one of the elements of art. And today we're looking at like line or patterning. This piece here is of some cherry blossoms, where we have reduced it down to just a series of line work and repeating pattern. You will find that some of the most successful, fascinating works that you'll ever see will be focused on just one of the elements of art. So again, we're going to repeat line, pattern, shape, space, form, color, value, and texture. All of these areas we'll be looking at in the next videos, and we're going to be focusing on some cherry blossoms so that you can see how fun it is to kind of look at your subject matter in a whole new way by just focusing in on one of the elements of art. So we hope that you will enjoy. Be patient with us. Several more videos to come, but I think that you will find them very, very interesting. And thanks for watching. Enjoy.